How does the customer success metric improve your customer's experience? Wolken CSAT allows you to create a survey or feedback form that assesses customer satisfaction and help desk effectiveness for each support request. Proactively responding to customers' demands and queries leads to customer success. A company's revenue and customer loyalty increase because of increased customer retention and happiness. For instance, if a customer complains that the software isn't installed on his laptop, an agent is tasked with handling the situation. Once the software has been deployed and the ticket has been resolved, a CSAT survey can be sent to the customer via various channels such as email, chat, etc., to get their feedback on the service. The survey can be designed by adding several predefined questions from the library, or by creating your own bespoke questions based on the requirements of the company. If the obtained survey percentage is significantly lower than anticipated, the root cause analysis rule can be included to investigate the problem. Based on the requirements of the company, the survey's trigger time can be modified. Wolken's advanced automation computes a weighted average of all 4- and 5-star ratings submitted in the last few days. The average number of days can be customized by the company. If an agent has a rating of 80%, it means that 80% of the feedback they've gotten has been positive. Eventually, Wolken CSAT helps you advance and expand by gathering insightful customer input on critical concerns. Get in touch if you want to find out more about Wolken and the modules we offer. We are always glad to be at your service.